Well, I'm hiking up this long winding path. Going up to the top, there's an obelisk up there, way up high. So I'm taking my time here. And it's going up, 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 up. I'm way up there behind those trees. Alright, let's go. Picking them up, putting them down here in the Azores. Well, I've been climbing up this trail and I can see the obelisk. So I'm not too far away. Alright, gotta press on and take a big rest once I get to the top here. Okay, made it up to the top of the obelisk. And I'm going to do a little panorama here. We have some kind of a pipe coming down from the mountains here. Yeah, here we go. You can see the ocean, that castle, which is now like a military thing. So we walked down by the water yesterday, down in that area. And there's our garden down there behind the hotel. That's where I started from. My hotel is right down there. One of those windows is mine. And yeah, it's a good view from up here. You can pretty much see everything. Another island over there. A little breezy up here. So yeah, good views. Coming around back here. It was worth the walk up here. I'm very slow walking because I'm an older person, an older YouTuber, as you all well know. But I get the job done. Get the job done. That's the main thing. All right, look at that. Here we go. We're back here to the old obelisk here, right up there. Got a pole there. There it is. Yeah, and as we walk over here around the obelisk, we can come off to the other side here. There's a little plaque. Let's see what this says, if there's any useful information. It's in Portuguese. Looks like, I forget, what's that symbol? You know those guys. I'll put it to you later. I can't think of it now. Tribute to the president, governor, I don't know, the king, I don't know, 212, 20, I don't know if that's just this plaque, but I think this thing on back of me was when you had the king, he liked to come here, so this was like a monument to the king or something. I don't know. That's the Masons, yeah. That's what that sign is, the Masons, because they make stuff. But yeah, come up here, we'll go on the shady side, get out of the sun here. So you can see, oh yeah, it says up there 12 October 1978. A little breezy up here. Come around the other side. It's lit up at night. And you got places to sit here if you want to sit. It's a little cooler up here because the breeze is blowing. I took my long sleeve shirt off and just have my t-shirt on here. So yeah, I just have my t-shirt on here now because it's a little breezy. Like I said, I got the old obelisk in back of me here. There it is. Made it to the top of the world here. Well, in the Azores, in Terceira, the island or something here. So, all right, gotta watch I don't lose my hat in the breeze here. And I don't have my little cushion on the GoPro, so you're probably going to hear some wind. Okay. Well, this little water feature is partially in the shade right there. I don't know if that's an outline of this island. I'll have to look that up, and I may be looking at it from the opposite way or the correct way. I don't know. And it doesn't, I don't know if that could be the outline of the island, and there's a little thing in the center, but I don't know. It's time to start heading back down. It's going to be a lot easier then. Now I got another souvenir shop I want to stop at. All right, we got steps. Let's go down this side here. I came up the other side. Up one way, down the other way. All right. Okay, here's this little water feature down at the bottom at the same level as it. You got shadows. Shadow Man, all right. Always got Shadow Man there. So I don't know what that is there. I don't know if there's some significance to the shape or whatnot here. I don't know here. Well, we'll have to see. Got more steps heading down. Another little pond with a pointy thing. I don't think that has any significance. And the trail is going to go zigzagging back down. Let's go down this way here. Okay. There's a church down there in between the trees. That's where I walked up earlier today, where the supermarket is almost across the street from it, and our hotel is down in there. And that's the serpentine path we'll be taking going back down here. All right, on the move here. Well, I'm on my way back down from the obelisk. Well, I came up this way too, but going back down now. Here's this pool. I don't know, you got a little statue, a guy blowing water out of his mouth or something up there. And don't know significance. But anyhow, I see some dark clouds rolling in over there. So we're supposed to get a little rain here at noontime. So glad I was able to make it up here while the sun was out. Okay. I don't know if you can hear it over the water, but right down about there's a couple frogs. See if you can hear them. Yeah, there's another one down here. And another one there. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I see at least 4. There's probably a whole bunch of them in there. Alright, let's take another view here. Well, this is in the park, and I'll try to get a translation later. See if I can get up here a little closer here. Looks like it's all in Portuguese here. Something, Almena Garrett, must be some important guy, or maybe a Jesuit or something. I don't know. I'll try to get a translation on Google Translate later on. All right, a couple of pigeons around here. Okay. Well, I don't know if this guy is the same guy that's up in that. I'm not sure. I don't know. There's another plaque there. I think that talks about the shrubs and the bushes and everything. We're going to come down to the fountain here in a minute. Yeah, here's the center of the fountain. We're going to walk around here and take a look at. Sun's behind some clouds up there. Like I say, it could be rain clouds. Could be rain clouds coming in here. But look at all these beautiful flowers. They really have a very nice job here as we go around here. Like I said, turn around here. There's that other little grotto thing. I don't know quite what that is, but I took a bit of that the other day. Oh, we got a little rose here, so it's always nice to have a little rose. A few roses in there. And we're coming around here, and that's like the one entrance there from the street. Or there's our hotel back here. We were down in here the other day, and here's another plaque down here, and I don't know what it says, but there you go. There's all the fish there. Look at them all. You see a reflection, but I can see them good, but I don't know if the camera's going to pick them up. Tons of goldfish there. I don't know. Okay, we'll continue our walk around here. We just saw the goldfish there. Presume they're goldfish. There's the gazebo. Nice pink colors. They got all these nice pink colors. Look at all those. I don't know if they're zinnias or marigolds or giant marigolds or what they are, but well maintained here. And those little reddish little things, the border around there, very nice. Couple rose bushes in there to make it really good. And you got your pigeons here. They don't bother you too much. They hopefully keep to themselves. And we're back around where we started here with the plaque up there. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to the hotel here, take a little rest here, I think. All right, bye. Here's another little section here that we can come around. They have more of a stone and volcanic rock in there, and different types of plants, not real flowers, but like you know, different types. You got some roses, multicolor here. Very nice. I like the color of these here. I wonder if they smell. Let me see. Teeny tiny bit of scent on there. I like roses that smell good. I'd rather they smell good rather than look good. But everything now, everybody wants roses that look good. They don't care about the smell anymore. Oh well, I'm one person. Look at this one. It's like this orange here and reddish. Very nice. Yeah, plenty of moisture here, so everything grows good. Got your palms up there. Palm trees here too. So yeah, come around here. On the other side. Yeah, you know, more different rose bushes. Another one of these orange jobbies here. Very nice. And another palm, like I said, with the gazebo there. And there's our hotel. My room is up there somewhere. Might be one of those up there. I'm not sure. And we got another fountain over here. We'll go investigate this because this is where I can look out my window and I can see birds in the fountain here. Pigeons, basically. You know, that's what you got here. And there's one or two up there now. Getting water. And yeah, so that's just it, this little fountain here. All right.